Of course, it's Angela. And yesterday I saw this wonderful Corvette. Absolutely beautiful. I just love the color red on this car. Now, what makes me stop and ask someone, may I take a picture of your car? It's something about the design, how it looks, the color, the style, the brand, and if the owner keeps the car simply clean. So I saw this on the beach in Manhattan Beach and I thought, do you mind if I take a look at it? And I did, and I looked inside and out. And boy, was it absolutely a beauty to see. I really wanted to see sunset, but after looking at this car, I thought, why not take a few videos and just look inside and see if the owner keeps it clean, if the seats are nice and soft. Well, that's exactly what I did. And I thought I would just do what? Show and tell you exactly what makes me stop and look at a car. Is it the style? Well, I don't know. It was the engine. It was loud. But this car right here, this was even louder. But I thought it was just the color. Different lights. I was at a hotel and I thought, I'll take a quick picture. Why not? It's okay. But the red seemed like it had a little bit more of a pop, if you know what I mean. And then I was at this other car show and I saw this beautiful Corvette. And I thought, this is the color red. This is what I consider candy apple. Well, this car was absolutely beautiful. And if I'm not mistaken, this guy said he had this car since 1976. I'm like, wow, it looks showroom ready. Even the black Corvette next to it was okay, but this car right here, this is showroom ready. And I just thought I might share it with you. I thought, wow, this car is so cute. It looks like it needs to be in a photo. Well, I decided to take a few pictures, along with a few other people decided to take a few pictures of the car. But I wanted to share. Why did I get into cars? Well, all I can remember is the Long Beach Grand Prix. And I like the cars. I thought in my mind, should I be a car race driver? But I heard that's not good. Yeah, it's not good for what? Insurance. But I just thought I would share what makes me stop and look at a car and say, is this cute? Do I want it? Never. The car that I really want is a personal driver. I do not want to take care of cars. But this all started because I'm responsible for 3 cars. Responsible to make sure that they have gas in the car, responsible to make sure they're washed properly, responsible to make sure that they're clean inside and out. And the rule is never leave anything in the car. You get in the car with the stuff that you need and you take it out. That's the best part of keeping a car clean. Leave it showroom clean. Pretend like you're at a dealership. Leave nothing inside. All 3 of the cars that I'm responsible for are nice, clean, drama-free of any trash or clothes or books or stuff or food. I'm responsible for the car. Well, what car is that? Well, I'll show you. The car that I'm responsible for is the first one is a RAV4 2024. And then the next car that I'm responsible for is a Dodge Challenger Scat Pack 2018. And then the next car that I'm responsible for is one of my favorites, the TRD Pro 2024. The best car ever. I know you're looking at a Corvette. I know, it's a sports car. But when you really want to have a car that can take you on the road, also run errands, you can take it to the beach, you can have fun taking care of it, that car would be the TRD Pro. You're like, well, where is it? I keep looking at these Corvettes. Where is the car that you are talking about? See, the Corvette is cute. It's a sports car. Everybody sees you coming. It's loud. You got to constantly keep it clean. You don't want dirt on it. You don't want mud on it. I mean, you could take it for a road trip, but is it going to hold all the things that you need? Well, the only thing I can do is just look at this car. Just look at it. Do I want it? No. Does the color look good? Great. But the most important thing for me to do is take care of my own car. That's right. See, can you tell which one it is? Of course, it's the clean one. They're both TRD pros. They're both TRD pros. But one is clean and one is not. The best thing that you can do for your car is keep it clean. Keep it spotless. Keep it dust-free. Take it to the car wash, but never use the car brush. Ever. Just use either like a soft cloth to wipe it down, but never use the car brush. As you can see, I'm taking care of this car. This is not my car, but I get the option in the choice to drive it every Friday. Make sure that there's gas inside. Make sure that it's nice and clean, that it smells good. And with this car, who cares if it has mud or dirt on it? It's meant to have that. It's a TRD Pro, and I just absolutely love it. And it's an underground color. The best color to have for a car is a dark gray or a silver, something that doesn't show all the dirt like a black car or like a white car. So this is me drying off the car, getting it all ready. I get to drive it. It is not my car. It is not in my name, but I'm responsible for it, taking care of it, washing it, gas, etc. Well, thank you so much for watching my car channel. Do I love cars? I just like looking at the cars. The girls like the high heels, and Angela like cleaning the cars and looking at cars. Do I want a car? No, I told you already. I want a professional driver. But if you just so happen to have a 2025 Daytona Ferrari, hello, call me up. Let me ride in it. Let me drive it. I don't want the payments and I don't want their insurance. I just want to have a little fun. But until then, it's going to be your TRD Pro 2024. The best car ever for me. Well, thank you for allowing me to share my thoughts, my feelings, and all other things. But keep your car clean. Can you tell the difference between a clean car and a dirty car? Well, that's all I got for you. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And by the way, if you want to buy me a car, I want a 2024 TRD Pro, underground color, my own car. Bye!